Yeah, this is my inflation closet. I've been holding stuff. Oh, cat has to come in. I've been storing stuff here since 2000. You see I still have paper towels from 11/21. You can see what I paid, $20.98. They've already gone up to 22 something. So I decided I would go ahead and do it again. And these were 14 October of 21. And well, I just bought big amounts here, 30 rolls, so I don't even know the comparison. It was still like $24 for that box. But anyway, this has kind of been where, for a couple of years now, I've been stocking just things. All the stuff that would generally cost me money more than normal. I don't know, I was just watching well, I got a little bit of a pay raise, and damn, I feel like I lost every bit of it. So, anyway, I still have all this stuff too. And this stuff here too. So I guess the fear got me. The fear of all that stuff back in the 20 with the COVID all. These containers here, these orange containers, they're full of food, rice, mashed potatoes, just different Kool-Aid, sugar, doomsday stuff. And then I have the cat here, and then the cat there. Hello. Hello.